Emerging Invasive Species Spotlight, Linden Viburnum. Linden viburnum, Viburnum dilatatum, is also known as linden arrowwood. It's native to eastern Asia and is an emerging invasive species in the Lower Hudson area of New York. It was introduced through the horticultural trade as an ornamental landscaping plant. This perennial shrub grows up to 15 feet tall and prefers full sun to part shade. Linden viburnum has a woody stem. I have personally seen woody stems arch, touch the ground, and root, though this is not common. It has opposite leaves, with distinct peach-like fuzz on them. The leaves also have a scalloped or rounded tooth margin. Flowers are small, white, and clustered in an umbel shape, and bloom in May through July. The seeds go from green to red as they mature, and they're mature in August through October and can persist through the early winter. Many of the viburnums look pretty similar. Cornell has a very good guide to help you identify viburnums. There is a native look-alike to Linden viburnum. Arrowwood viburnum, Viburnum dentatum, is a native viburnum that has very sharp tooth margins. The prefix dent means tooth and refers to that deep and sharp tooth margin. Compare it to the scalloped or rounded tooth margin on Linden viburnum. Linden viburnum also has fuzzy leaves, while Arrowwood viburnum does not. Linden viburnum is threatening because it is fast-growing and aggressive, forming dense stands that quickly shade out and outcompete native vegetation. It can tolerate a wide range of different soil and sun conditions, and so can invade many different habitats from roadsides to shrublands to forests and riparian areas. It's an ornamental plant and bird dispersed, so seeds can easily be transferred from people's gardens into natural areas. It can also be rarely vegetatively dispersed. The current distribution of Linden viburnum is fairly limited to southern New York, with a few spots in northwestern New York having reported Linden viburnum. This plant can be easily hand-pulled if the plant is young and under about 3 feet tall. If there's a large infestation, it can be mowed, but this will take multiple years because it will resprout from surviving roots. Cut stump can be done with glyphosate or triclopyr. It can also be treated with basal bark with triclopyr or foliar with glyphosate. Thank you to our partners who made this possible.